All right, so today is August 2nd, 2024. We had a nice sell-off yesterday. I wasn't able to be a part of this because of issues with the broker and Top Step. Um, it looks like they finally got it resolved, so I should be able to trade August now. So what am I looking at? So it looks like ES broke below this level here. I don't see any selling pressure on the my indicator, so I'm not gonna mark it. We did have buying here that failed. Had attempt buying here, also failed. Right. So selling is still in the books. I just need to figure out where I can spot it. Right now, I don't have anything for that as far as like selling wise on the 30 minute, and I use my 30 minute for my levels. The only level I have is this the one I was previously broken, and we tested it with the non-farm payroll that I said in yesterday's recording that it's likely to cause a big market move. All of these that came out at 8:30, and that's exactly what we got. We had a nice move for about how many points is that? 58 points. I was gonna say 30. I'm just trying to like I didn't look at all the numbers. So 3380 to yeah, so about 58, 50 over 50 points. So NQ found a bounce on a level here. It did also do the same thing as ES did, where it broke below, retested, and then pushed down. ES had a better break and then retest, but you couldn't even catch that move if you wanted to because this is the candle. All right, so this candle area here, I'm probably gonna be more interested from the 454.23 to the 54.34, so about a 10-point ratio. Um, I can't make heads or tails of it. Maybe this wick. I'm not sure yet. The price is still trying to settle. We have about 5 minutes before it does what it needs to do. So I am not quite sure yet. So I'm gonna zoom out. I do recall making extra levels below, but let's see if I made enough. Okay, so I do have levels below this. So I don't have any true buying that I can lean on, and the last selling that I have is here. All right, and then we also have this, which is that. So yeah, so nope, not that. That's buying. So that's buying over here, right? And buying is more important. Um, so this level will be an interesting level, but I'd prefer to have an actual buying candle up here for me to say have a greater chance. So I might wait until we get a buy candle, drop down and retest. So maybe in the evening or the afternoon. Sorry, in the afternoon, I'll see something of interest. But right now, my levels are looking like crap, as they look like they're being demolished in the pre-market. So now it's either oh, and this level here is looking pretty good. So I'm not quite sure where this level is coming from. I'm going to a daily and see. So it's coming from over here where we last bought, when we first bought on the. This level might actually be a good level. Let's see what this looks like. Mark this like this. Let's make it color I don't often use. Let's make it this one. Alright, so there we have it. And I'm gonna make the top one that, and then let's bring these out further. The third, that's fine. Oh, that's good also. Alright, so I don't think price gonna make that big of a move. Alright, so nice selling. retest. Yeah, major selling. Um, okay, so let's see how price reacted around those levels. So maybe if we can get back above here, we see some buying. So I'm going to keep this level here. Because it look like buying is trying to step in. It's just that it hasn't been able to really push price up. All right. Let's go to a regular chart. You can see buying started to step in. Couldn't keep price up. Price pushed down. Buying stepped in again. Tried, and then it fell. Right, and then we retested on. Let's see how did we retest that level? Did we retest on low volume on the 5 minute? Ay ay ay. Go. So we had a lot of volume going up and then down. So maybe there's something there. I'm not quite sure yet. But I'm gonna continue looking for shorts until I see buyers are really interested in being long. I need to probably see a reclaim of this level here, which is a bit. I'm not sure I even get that today because it's about 80 points. You know, to have a strong reversal day, that would be insane. But we did have a strong sell-off day, which I don't think anybody expected. From these highs up here to these lows down. Not to zoom in more. So from 544.25, 544.75, low 544.475, low 544.25. That's lower. Okay, I guess. So 155 point move yesterday. If we can come up here, I'd look to see if we can come to this level here. If we can get back above this, because we were really trying to like hold price there, and if price can really reclaim it, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Looks like shorts may still be in control, but I do like the fact that we held this. So I'm gonna see how price reacts. This is 30-minute marker. I'm gonna see how price. Yeah, so right now we may have a buying reversal. Well, I'm not too convinced at whatsoever because we need to pull back into this and then push up. I'm not convinced at all. I do like these 3 candles. So would like to see like a channel down, like this, and then a bounce up, and may consider being interested. But because we broke below this and closed below it on the 30-minute, on the 5-minute, I really think that even though we go up, we're likely going to come back down. That's what I've noticed. Usually we don't close down here on the 5-minute, and we can move back higher, but we may push up just to come back down. And I would have to see what that volume was, but this volume is way up here, so maybe we'll come up to here just to reverse. So I'm going to mark this one here. With what I usually use for volume, which is about this here, and then if price is struggling around here, I'll look for my short back down. Because we are inside of that entire candle, so maybe we'll go up just to like sell off, and we destroyed this here, so that. We are rejecting off of this level. So there's a lot going on. I can't really make heads or tails of too much of it. So that's news. We have another news at 10 o'clock. We don't have it here. I'm gonna go over settlement price. Let's see where that is on the chart. I am probably done with the 1 minute. Okay, so it's like my internet was struggling. Let's go here. See where set sits and see if it's even worth putting on. A settlement price, I'm gonna leave that. It's just another target that needs to be, that could cause price to slow down. So I'm gonna leave that one. Let's look at NQ. Looks like we did get a bit of a channel break. Well, I don't like how this look. Usually when I get these weird looking channels, I've gotten burnt. I'm not too keen on continue to get burnt on trying to catch moves that aren't smooth. I'll go over that in a bit. So let me try to get the settlement price for this. Okay, same thing, a little bit high. So an area of interest. Oh, what I haven't done is value area highs and lows. That's what I need to do. Yeah, so I'm not really too interested in any of that. Let me do value area highs and lows. That's what I didn't do. That way I can have an idea of where price is in regards to how price moved. And didn't I add value? It's not. Okay. So value area low is down here. High up here. We have point of control right here. Not sure how valid these markings are going to feel. I said I've kind of like moved away from using these too much. Let's do NQ. I think NQ is like way down there at the bottom. Alright, so those levels will be there. I'm not gonna delete them. I'm gonna keep them there for the most part. I believe I will. Sold off. That's no longer good. So this might be like areas of if we get a buying. I don't have any buying yet. I do like the wicks. I don't have any buying yet. Alright, so that's that. We have settlement price. We have white area highs and lows. And then last one will be that. Not going to use it. To 5507. Where it is on ES. 5507. So this area here. So it's kind of huge. It's just a lot of like unknown areas. I'm not going to use it. I will mark this whole number. That's for sure. Alright, so those are my levels for ES and NQ. We're about 20 minutes before the market opens. What I'm also going to do is look at what VIX is doing. We did get a nice little pullback. So this break of a channel probably would have been the better entry. I like this pullback. Like I said, I don't know if this pullback, if this push up is going to even last. But I really like what I saw in the 5 minute. Go back to the 5 minute. Because that'll give me a better idea of what I should be looking for here. And do a smaller adjustment. Right, then I can say, okay, a little like this. So it's probably like that. Alright. And then could have bought here. Boom. Buying that one even though it's gapped out and spaced out. So something like this, alright? This is already up 5 points. The goal being settlement price. No, goal being at volume. So this would have been a nice one here, alright? We might even get another pullback and then push up. So, but I'm not trading around this time. VIX. Actually, I need this one. VIX has been also uptrending. Demolished a lot of levels like ES and NQ did. And get rid of all of this here. And then let's push this over. Same thing with this one. Okay, so we have buying here, no selling. Let's go into a Heikin Ashi level, see if we have anything that makes sense. And I'm also going to add my inner volume. That's what I use for actual. What in the world is that? Must have reset on me. Let's see if we can fix that. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. If not, then my computer's probably using way too much data with the with Thinkorswim and OBS open. Alright, so selling here, didn't keep up. Buying here. I like this one. Let's It's not a doji. Price moved up. Selling, selling, buy, selling, buy. Mark this one. Okay. All right, so that's where I'm at with VIX. That's where I'm at with VIX. Um, oh wow, what a damn reversal. Yeah, that would have been a nice trade. Um, very good retest of this level, pushing up. Should have been a nice trade. All right, so market opens up in 15 minutes. Yeah, I really like this candle here. Um, hopefully it reaches, but this would be where I would have really liked to see price go to, and I would have been done. I could have sent, that's about 30 points. Could have sent what is this? That's 7 points. I could have sent 5 micros for a 14-point move. Yep, and we're hitting that, and that would have been a good trade. And then I could have just took a nap. Very good trade on 2 minis, and price is still going. So yeah, that would have been a good trade. All right, so I'm done setting up for the day. Hopefully I see something else that catches my interest at my levels. If I do, then I do. If I don't, then I don't. I'm glad that the thing's up and trading. I like to trade around on market hours, 8:30, and around my levels. So that's it for now. I am done, and I'll be back in the evening to do a recap of my day.